Hey friends, I'm back with one more recipe with passion fruit. Today I'm going to make a healthy smoothie. I think smoothie is a very good option for healthy breakfast. It's filling also. And today, apart from passion fruit, I'm going to add orange and mango pulp to it. And I'm adding little flax seeds. You can add whatever you like. Today I'm making with yogurt, but you can also make with coconut milk as well, or the normal milk, anything you prefer. So let's proceed to make the smoothie. Healthy smoothie, make and enjoy. To make the smoothie, we'll be requiring mango pulp as needed, 1 passion fruit, extract the pulp, juice of 1 orange, small cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon roasted flaxseed powder, and chilled water as needed. Take all the ingredients in a jar. Orange juice. Here goes the passion fruit pulp along with the seeds. You can even consume the seeds. Greek yogurt. I like using Greek yogurt because the consistency is nice and thick, creamy. Mango pulp, taken about half cup. Flaxseed powder. Blend all of them together. Add water as needed. You don't need to add any sugar or honey because mango pulp is very sweet. Now we have blended everything. You can check for the sweetness. If it is not sweet, you can add honey or sugar. Pour it into the jar, mason jar or any glass. This quantity makes 1 serving. Your rich and creamy smoothie is ready. It's quite filling and sufficient for breakfast if you want to have a light breakfast. It's light and healthy smoothie. Enjoy your smoothie. Friends, do like and share the video. We'll soon be back with more recipes. Stay tuned.